Hello students, today we will discuss how to find, replace and search into your worksheet. You use Excel's find feature to locate specific information in the worksheet. You just go to home. In the home tab, you are having the option of find and select. When you're going to press it, you are having the drop down of find, replace, go to, go special. We will discuss them. Firstly, you have the find what text box. In this text box, when you select your sheet, in this text box, if you are going to select anything, then it is going to highlight your January month. If you have the long data and you want to find or search some specific alphabet or specific month, then you can do it from this tab, that is find and select from the home tab, and you go to find. Now if you want to replace your January month with the first month text, you have to go to the tab replace rather than find. Replace, it will find all values that contains the Jan. Now it has highlighted the one only. Look, it is going to give you the name of the cell, the value, the sheet number and the book name. Now if you want to replace the one value, you just select replace. If you want to replace all the Jan values of the sheet, then you select the replace all. For now we are replacing one, so it has replaced its value. It's very tough for a user to go to every cell and check the January text, but if you press the replace button or replace all the text will be replaced automatically by your worksheet. Now you have the options button here. What does it do? It gives you extra properties, like if you want to select the format, like if you want to find your search in general, category, number, currency, accounting date, whatever you want to find out, you can press here and you just press OK, and it will find out the matching in the specific category. Now it will have the search by rows, it will have the search by sheet. You have the special drop down here that it will search your alphabet or character in the formulas. If you are going to find out the Jan month and you have no idea what you have actually typed, then you just press JA and you have to tick this box match case. Then it will find your Jan month. Otherwise it will give you that no search found. Now if you have Jan and you have to checkbox match entire cell content. So it is the way how to find and replace your text in the worksheet area. Now if you don't get any of the text that you find in your sheet, suppose we are going to do the search for April and we press the find, then it will give an error that we couldn't find what you are looking for. Click options for the more search area. There is another way to search any of the comments, like if you want to search If you want to search for March, then you just press M, and you don't know what is the middle alphabet of your text, then you just print question mark. So you just type question mark and you press R. Now it will, we have not selected the one. Yes, now it is giving you the March reading. So if your inside alphabets or characters are missing or you forgot, then you can type question mark in between them. In the same way for the numbers, if you forgot any number and you want to search it, you just type the asterisk sign between them and it will give you the full cell content. So it is the way how to search and find and replace your cell entries. Thank you.